Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone to unlock your Tesla, or you can use this card key. But just go to controls down here, open this up, and then go to locks. And you can add a new key, you can add a new phone very easily. Just go to add key right here. And if you do have your key, all you have to do is bring it down here once you're in your car and just put it right here. And then it should scan your new key. And then you should be able to just follow the on-screen instructions, but you just put it right here. Then to add a phone key, it's very easy. You just need to sign in with the Tesla app on your phone. So here's my phone. All I want to do is go to the Tesla app. So go to the Google Play Store and then type in Tesla. And we can go ahead and get this app right here. Open this up. Now when you open it up, you'll sign in and it'll say phone key setup right here. So let's go to phone key setup and then follow this screen indication. So it might ask you for like permission and stuff to set up your Tesla. Just go to allow, etc. And you can see this is already added as a phone key. I don't really have to do too much once you sign in. So you can see it's added now. It'll communicate with your car automatically. And now you can just get close to your car, open up the driver's side door here, and you should be able to sign in. So it's really easy. Just sign in with the app, remember your email address, password, and then it should automatically do it. Once you hit setup, just go to all the different permissions on your phone and select allow.